What's up, 1977? Welcome back to the New York Knicks rebuild. There's some differences. I got rid of Taj Gibson for Jeremy Grant. Don't ask. I made a video actually, like a couple minutes ago, but like we played the Celtics, and this is not the right game. Actually, that's what's sad. Or is yes it is. No, it's not. That's not the right one. There it is, right here. We played this. I actually simulated this game. We played this game, and no one can make a shot. I was so depressed. I didn't even want to upload the video at all. So I simulated, and we're playing the Nuggets because the Nuggets are one of my favorite teams in the league. If you didn't know, but if you don't, now you know. If you know, you know now. And I was gonna have we were actually by 1 point in that game. At 1 point, I was gonna I was gonna name it Epic Combat of the Century, but it'd be lost. So, but also that I noticed, Mo Harkless is actually garbage. He actually is legit garbage. I hate him right now. He legit is so bad. He legit is just garbage at his finest. So let's just hop into the game. Here we go. I hope not to get the best.
And so off the tip, it's New York. Smith outside. And stolen by Hayes. And here's the break. Here's Morris. Second shot opportunity. And he converts the layup.
He got a great read of where that miss was going, and that allowed him to be the first guy to it and get the putback.
Trier. No. Off target from outside. One-on-one here. Pass to Barton. They get it back. Offensive rebound. Millsap down low. Well, it was only a matter of time that they finally get the bucket.
That's the way to work the ball in close to the hoop, guys.
Corner shot. Good on the jump shot.
Dennis Smith, that's actually not that kind of sexy.
First quarter. Here's Barton. Right now averaging about 5 points a game. And here's Plumlee.
Oh, what is happening?
Steps back and shoots. Here's Barton.
I can't shoot that. I'm supposed to get away with it.
Smith outside. Fires the three. 5 points in the game.
D there, guys, was pretty much non-existent. I mean, you can't leave a good shooter like that open.
About a minute and a half through the first quarter. Pass to Plumlee. Here's Morris. With the lead pass. Oh, and there's the one-handed jam.
His eyes just simply light up when he gets that close to the bucket. And you just know what he's going to do with the basketball.
Smith outside.
I'm trying to do this.
Fires from the wing.
Gets
it to go. And it's the Nuggets with the ball. They trail by one.
They make you want to shoot the three.
Pass to Harris. Here's Barton. Millsap with it. Backs him down. Out to Harris. Barton. Shot clock at 6. And it's rejected.
Thanks for saying it.
Inside. Here's Smith. Nice concentration to hit the double clutch layup. He's got 7.
4 or 5 shots have dropped for them already. Not a bad way to get things started.
Oh, it didn't happen last time.
Here's Barton. Pass to Plumlee. Now Harris. From outside the arc. Shot, no good. And here in the first, about 3 minutes in. Out to Smith. The tray. Barrett. This is his first trip to the line tonight. He misses the free throw. He doesn't get the second one. Now here is Harris. Guys, they're looking for a way to score here.
Yeah, they've had a tough time getting the lid off the basket so far.
Here's Morris. Pass to Millsap. There's the pick. Right side Millsap. Now here is Harris. Millsap inside. Hands out of bounds. The Nuggets able to retain possession here. And here in the first quarter, with a little over 3.5 minutes played, Harris with it. He hasn't scored yet. That, I'm sure, will change. Clock at 4. Drains the three-pointer. And this game is tied up now.
The easiest way to do it sometimes is with the bounce pass.
There was that shove, TK.
To the paint, Portis.
That's how that finally worked. And this game is sticking out of the team. What you going to
decide to talk it over.
We are definitely 9.5 games behind. I believe that's what this is. I can't believe the fonts of this game are really trash.
Here's Morris.
Oh my God, he just
shot goes down. Very quick possession right there.
He's hit the ground running here in the first, putting together a nice quarter offensively.
Freer. Smith outside. 6 to shoot. Barrett gets the three-pointer to fall. Here's Morris. Pass to Harris. Here's Barton. Back to Harris. Morris takes the three. The shot is off. The Knicks with the lead. And that one's good.
He's more than just a shooter.
Now here is Harris. Wide open look.
His touch has disappeared on him this quarter. He just hasn't been able to get it going.
Takes a three. And the Knicks hit again from deep.
So far, so good for them at the offensive end here in the early going.
Here's Morris. Pass to Harris. Will it go? Here's Plumlee. And a foul called on the shot. Got him on the way up that time, so he'll shoot 2 right here. This is his first free throw of the game. Denver with a platoon swap here on the floor. And he sinks the second. Now Payton. Right now he's averaging about 7 points a game. Pass to Grant. From deep. And it's Denver with the rebound. Number 31. And the Nuggets making a change here. Here's Barton.
Too eager to egotistic thing, not like that, especially with TK videos. The TK videos are on the noise for
Just 5 to shoot. Here's Barton. Count it from 12.
You start hitting a few of those mid-range shots, and it can open up your whole game.
Down low. Deflects the pass. Here's Payton. Pass to Bullock. Fires the three. No good.
Come on, we gotta make those shots.
I can feel it.
Clark, some tough offensive sets. They want to turn it around.
Yeah, they need a basket just to regain some momentum here, Kevin.
We need some. They just made a basket.
Here's Barton.
Every night.
And out of bounds as the Knicks gain possession.
Okay. What's our word? Jordan McRae's coming in here.
Pass to Bullock. Back to Payton. Three-pointer.
Morning by Alfred Payton. He's made 8 threes against the Bucks. He already had 4 against the Nuggets in the first quarter. If he was probably reaching foul, not really. He couldn't just let that slide, man. You really couldn't let that slide. Oh my lord, bro. That's all you knew.
Here's Bullock.
Top stepping in the plane with Bullock. Taking him off the bench because he deserves more and he's big credit for.
Here's McRae.
It's not a who's gonna like a type of year because like if I don't want to, you probably wouldn't play it away.
Pocket 6. Great D on that shot, and it's off the mark. Grant with the ball. No scoring yet from him, but that's likely to change.
Boy, he really bungled that finish.
Good if it goes. No good.
Let's go.
Hey guys, what's your take on the Knicks so far?
I think 4 minutes to 8, so it's like 6, 12. Don't be like 31 minutes.
Here's McRae. Here's McRae.
Good defense right now. What was this against the Celtics?
Shoots.
Over. Yeah, man.
It's rebounded by Payton. Knox. And the Knicks hit again from deep.
Another pass put right into the shooter's pocket. Right in the shooting pocket. For a terrific assist. They've done a lot of that today.
It's like 8 minutes. And then I finally shot it. That's pretty much.
Here's McRae. From past the arc. Shot is off.
No one can shoot a 3.
Quarter number 2. We're about a minute in.
Well, he won't miss many of those. Especially with the defender not in the best of positions there.
Fires it up. And he gets the jumper to drop. And here in the second with about a minute and a half gone by. Outside Robinson.
How's Gibson just said, you know, for me, what's going to do to it? He really did him like that.
Here's McRae.
Even me personally, I love Tom Gibson as a player. I just really want more younger players.
Big good substitution here for Denver.
Like, let the physicality play out. Like, I gotta call a foul at the weakest of plays. Like, this was my benefit now. Like, y'all let no plays play out. I was like, if you one little bump and you consider it a foul, like, no, let the physicality play. Like, oh god, Jokic is on the court. Why is Jokic now on the court?
And here is Harris.
Jamal Murray.
He's been producing a fair amount of offense, 9 in and 9 out, as he's averaging 14 points a game. Just 2 to shoot.
He fooled me. He still can make it.
And he takes that one out and powers it through.
My God, I say Barrett. 8 points and 32 for 3 from 3-point range.
Pass to Harris. And here in the second quarter of action with a year under 2.5 minutes played so far.
No, please. Hey, Jokic, actually, you go. Oh, shit. I need to get that.
6 on the shot clock. Morris. Can't get it to go.
Major defensive lapse right there. And he's not a player you can leave open for a jump shot. You gotta stay attached. They're lucky.
4 for 4.
Here's Morris. They need a good offensive possession.
Yeah, they've had a number of empty ones a long time without a basket.
I gotta find some. You're right. Harris.
Trouble if you're consistent with that turnaround jump.
I'm trying to help you guys out. I don't know if y'all can actually.
Here is Ellington for the 3. It's rebounded by Paul Millsap. Here's Morris. And he takes it in for the layup off a very nice feed. Here in the second quarter, just under 3.5 minutes played. Here's Smith. And out of bounds as the Nuggets gain possession.
Y'all saw that. If he didn't move, RJ had a wide open 3. He tries to run forward to the point. Get shut out of bounds as soon as I pass it to him. So you
pass to Harris. Closing it on 4 minutes play here in the second quarter. Here's Morris. And it's good. Walk through contact, gets the shot. He'll go to the free throw line. The Knicks making a switch here. And this is his first trip to the line tonight.
This is what I'm talking about. Like, you can't just let it play out. Not just like let them line and get a foul.
Now here is Smith. And that time, also a missed shot.
Well, one of his issues is he's a player that just does not excel at fighting through contact on his way to the rim.
Here's Morris. Fades Diop. And the layup's good off the glass.
He got a little room at the rim and laid it in. Great play.
The Knicks with the lead.
I like it.
Smith outside. This one for 3. No luck.
Not able to find it here in the second. He's off stride and off track just a bit after that one he had earlier.
And the shot is good. He's got 6.
If we want to do is we want to actually have a presence on the inside. Like, still, like, we're not going to do, like, the bigs we have right now are doing too much.
Launches it. Trier. Another shot.
And Randall. This is why we draft. This is why we draft. Why you got drafted by the Lakers and got traded to the Pelicans, and then eventually got traded to the Knicks. I think that's right. I think he played the Pelicans if I'm not mistaken.
Here's Morris.
I think he got very
He's got 7.
Pelicans.
Pass to Harris. There's the screen.
Inside and outside, please. Why is Jokic shoot? Why is Jokic behind the
Here's
first player
Morris.
that he's all of a sudden in?
Back to Harris.
Yeah.
A 3-ball. Trier. Here's Smith. Out of bounds. Denver takes possession.
That's when she was not a shooter. I need to remember that. We say, I don't even know who that was. I think that was San Antonio. We have a chance to win a game.
Here's the Nuggets now with the ball.
We only won 4 games, but
Pass to Harris.
this would be a big win for both teams, actually.
Here's Morris. Lock at 6. From 10 feet out. Pitch and shot. So the whistle blows on the shot.
I guess, bro. I guess that was a little contact on that shot, but like you gotta let it play. Like you can't just call a foul on that, bro. You really just can't. Jokic, man, you know Jokic is the best free throw.
It's making a switch here.
Jokic is second.
So he gets them both.
This is the way to stay in the game. They're doing a masterful job from the line right here.
Smith outside. And stolen by Harris. And they're running. Pass to Barton. But three. The shot will not go. And they're on the break. And he lays it straight in. He's got 6.
Good job threading that pass into the lane. I like his vision, guys. He sees everything.
Here's Morris. He has 7. Pass to Barton. And here is Harris. Here's Barton. Back to Harris. 6 to shoot. And it's good from the elbow.
That's a clean look they gave him there, fellas, and he drains those.
If you don't shut up, Charles Barkley, I swear I'm gonna drain your life down the drain. Yeah. Come on, dude, you gotta make that shot. That's a
Clear look at the hoop. He doesn't miss
the
many of
one
those.
shot you need to
Here's
make.
Morris. And he gets it to go.
Wow, he really made that, actually.
He's got 9.
Well, I tell you what, that is a lot harder than it
Pass
appears.
the ball,
You got to get
thank
your
you,
body
bro.
angled
I'm not
just
even
right
trying to do this.
to shield you from the defense.
Trier. Here's Smith.
Kevin
Sinks
Smith
up.
from 3.
A wide open three. They need much better communication defensively.
Here's Morris.
Smith. That's the defensive prime time now. I can keep the base deal up. It's wide open on the right side. Thank you. They didn't get it ahead that way.
Jokic. And Denver again with the bucket.
You know, it wouldn't be a bad idea to put an extra body on him, get some help when he barrels his way in close. He's such a good finisher. He needs more than one guy to defend him.
Shoots the 3. Trier. And out of bounds as the Nuggets gain possession. And the Nuggets making a change here.
But for them, it never does. It even hits the rim and it bounces in the air and you get the board. Or it just nothing's happening.
Here's Barton.
I understand. I just don't.
Pass to Harris.
Who's even good?
For 3. That's good.
All 3 he made.
8 points for him.
You know, the more shots like that he hits, guys, the more he's going to forget the pain he's playing through. Sometimes shot making can give you that added boost of adrenaline.
Ball not loose.
Okay, that's
So
great.
it's tied as we head to halftime.
No, we're not watching the halftime show. That's all they're just gonna show. I'm not gonna sit here and waste my time watching it.
Welcome back, everybody. The start of the second half.
It should be a lot better.
Battling
A
hard
lot
as the
better,
first half.
but my team is the Knicks, so.
Here's
I'm
Morris.
not expecting.
Pass to Harris. For the lead. To the inside. And stolen by Harris.
Why do they always prepare for like the backdoor?
Here's the break. Here's Morris. And he uses the glass on the lane. He's got 11.
Defense left him just a little window to get through, and he just ducked in for the layup. Terrific job.
Trier. Barrett.
No good.
A three-pointer, no good.
None of my players
Denver in
want to
the
make a
lead.
shot when they need to. Like, that's an easy shot that you should shoot and you should make if you're in the NBA.
Here's
but
Morris.
you can't make them.
Pass to Barton. Here's Morris. Millsap left side. Just over a minute and a half to play here in the third. Clark, they've been looking out of sync offensively.
You know what? A basket here would do a lot for their confidence.
Randall.
Okay, it does not work.
Barrett.
How was that very late? I
Trying
didn't
to
even
come
hold it.
right back with a
like
three of his own, but it's no good.
It's been a cold spell for them coming out.
No one wants to jump.
First three
No one
shots,
wants to
tough
jump
start.
up and get the defense.
I think they need to get much more disruptive defensively. They can't just keep allowing these easy
The
baskets.
game is legit just like this. Like,
Now
all the
Smith.
meters running and like,
10 points for him to stop the run, and the jumper falls for him.
Maybe with that, the lid on this basket will be lifted for him.
Here's Barton. Time called here. The Nuggets decide to talk it over.
Here you go. Back at it. I'm at 5. Looks like they're not struggling. They get the score against our defense.
Second half of play with just under 2.5 minutes gone. Millsap left side. Millsap left side. Pass to Barton. Harris with it. No good from outside.
Even though he isn't having the best of game from the floor, it hasn't seemed to hurt him.
And blocked. Trier.
Oh, come on, Trier. You
It's been a
God,
real
you've
difficult
been.
game for him offensively, and it's costly.
Here's Morris. The
I
finger
don't
roll finish at the
Trier,
bucket.
you had that one game. You were going
13 points in the game.
He shot the ball exceptionally well as they've built this lead for themselves here.
And out of bounds as the Nuggets gain possession.
Boy, did they
Don't
ever
even
make
want to
the best
ask
out of
what
that.
that. What was that? How did he just do that? There was
Here's
2
Barton.
people right there.
He has 7.
Actually, and they just phased through both of their bodies.
Jacks up a three. They get it back. Millsap.
He's standing straight up. He leaned into him. That's not a
Lot of
foul.
contact there.
That's just the
He's
fucking
getting his
golden
first free throw
foul.
attempt of the night right now. No
That
good on the
doesn't
free throw.
matter, you stupid idiot. That's not even a foul.
And the second free throw, good.
They're really losing to the Nuggets right now because they're taking my players don't know how to make a basket.
Portis. Beautiful dish, and the layup goes down. Here's Barton. In the third quarter with just over 3.5 minutes off the clock. Pass to Plumlee. And here is Harris. 5 on the clock. Trying to break that ice cold streak. And the layup is good. He's got 10. Knicks decide to talk it over. The Nuggets making a switch here. And here is Payton. Lets it go from deep.
Come on, can someone please make
They're
a
really
shot?
getting the work done inside with their rebound.
No, they're not. This is a bunch of missed opportunities.
Chip.
Balls. Oh, I forgot. I have to manually spin. I'm stupid.
Defender touch.
He's like got half 9, but
You
now.
know, he's knocking down his shots today, but it hasn't really translated to the scoreboard yet.
Three.
Why am I over there? Switch, thank you. Switch to the freaking dude.
Pass to Barton. Outside Millsap. Just 5 on the clock. Three.
Oh my
Paying off. I think they
goodness.
got 2
No,
on the
Connor,
second
you
chance
have
bucket
to do
right
that.
there. New York trailing.
Nasty.
Grant from deep
How is
three-point
that too?
range.
How was that too late when I heard it for legit half a second and it immediately just missed?
Number 31.
It's not freaking.
Pass to Barton.
That's not too late. That's like that. I haven't seen too early.
Shot clock at 6. A chance to extend the lead to double digits, but it's no good. Now Smith.
Thank you.
And fouled hard that time. He'll get to the line and shoot 2. First trip to the free throw line for him in this one.
I didn't even hold it that long. How is that too late?
He hits the second from the line.
No, I don't understand, bro. This is so. I don't get this.
Tries a
Oh my
three,
God, green though.
and that one's good.
Very good. Because if you can't time yourself, you got like release it and just focus like a good jump, a good shot. It's not a real timing system to it.
Pass to Plumlee. Working on Grant. Number 31. And he hands her back. The three-pointer offline. Waiting outside. From deep. Plumlee with the rebound. Denver in the lead. To the middle. Number 31. And that one's good. Now here is Smith. He's got 13. Randall. Plumlee with the rebound.
On the rim, are you kidding me, bro?
Inside. Laid in with a nice touch off the glass. 5 points in the game.
Boy, such outstanding patience and decision making for them offensively.
And block anyone who sits there. And on the defensive side, offensive side, we have no idea.
Randall. Swings the whistle. Contact on the way up and 2 shots coming up. And this is his second trip to the line in the game. And the first one at the line is good. The Nuggets making a switch here. Second free throw, no good.
Make the second one.
Here's McRae. Pass to Barton. Down to 5 on the shot clock. McRae. Here's Plumlee. Shot is off. Just 1 second between the shot clock and game clock. Baden outside.
Yeah, it's so pitiful tonight.
Here is Ellington. From deep three-point range. It's rebounded by McRae. And here comes on top. And we're coming back in just a moment. Get ready for the fourth quarter of action when we return. Here's one. Well, if you're just tuning in, welcome. We've got about 3.5 minutes gone here in the fourth quarter. Here's Morris. Tries to snap the cold streak. That one wide left.
Do best.
Barrett. The shot from
Barrett. Barrett dropped it. 4x2. Come on, boys. We can't choke again. We can't choke like last time. That will forever be in my thing. That will forever be in my.
Puts up a 3. That's good.
You can really see that his confidence is at a high level here in this half. He didn't have a 3 in the first.
Smith outside.
Excuse me, people.
Pass to Bolt.
Excuse me. I'm pushing the shoot gun. I need you to shoot
There's
it.
the triple. That is good.
And this is someone that can really hurt you from long range. He did that to a degree in the first half, and he's doing it now.
Here's Morris. Here's Barton.
Good defense.
Now here is Harris. Now here is Harris.
Get to the balance.
Shot clock at 5. Stolen by Robinson.
Like an idiot. I kicked it back like an idiot.
And
I
foul.
think I tough those, but can make a lot of sense. You can make it easily.
That free throw, no good. The Knicks making a switch here. Good on the second free throw.
Minus window, baby.
Here's Barton. Here's Morris.
Okay, Morris.
There's a screen. Pass to Plumlee. And here is Harris. Down to 5 on the shot clock. Here's Harris. Fires for 3. Can't get it to go.
Well, he's building a house with those bricks. I mean, one reason is he keeps trying to force it up when he's defended well. Move the ball. Share the sugar.
Smith outside. Smith left side. And that was
Smith carrying the team on his back right there.
They just haven't looked back.
He had his choice of finishing moves there, and you just got to love the fact he went over.
Nice finish, man. I'll give you props.
The Nuggets making a switch here.
Oh no, she just cuts off. Come on, defense. I don't believe in you a lot, but this is the one time I actually believe you. Come on, defense. Every time I believe in the defense
Here's
still has
Morris.
some excuses.
Here's
I
Barton.
don't understand that.
Here's Barton. They set the pick. Lets the 3 fly. Shot no good.
Boy, that's a surprising miss right there. He usually feasts on those wide open opportunities.
Off his foot.
He has to go ahead and split. Chill out sometime, man. Dude, I don't know how long you can keep it.
Down low. Randall. Millsap grabs the miss.
That's an unusual, surprising miss for him. Typically, he's good on those inside.
Here's Barton. Pass to Harris. Wide open. Perfect. Trier. Smith outside. Trier. Here's Morris. Layup missed.
Not too much congestion in the lane. I think he could have gotten a better shot that time, no question.
Trier. Again, New York with the triple.
That's 2 bombs in a row from long range.
Pass to Millsap. Right side Millsap. And he makes good.
Got some room at the rim and laid it in. Great play.
New York with the ball. Trier. No question. They can take their time on this possession.
You know, guys, that wouldn't be a bad idea. I mean, gives themselves a little break.
I was trying to pass it to Bobby Portis.
Making a long pass like that is always a risky proposition.
I should pass to Bobby Portis. Shut up. We're gonna win this game.
Here's Morris.
Now if we play some defense, I'm surprised I haven't played Jokic back in the
Ripped away. Barrett. Gets a rebound. Smith outside. From outside the arc. And he's able to get it back. Another miss. Boy, they had their chance there, but couldn't get it to go. Here's Morris. No good with the triple. Randall. Pass to Smith. The 11-footer. Can't get it to go. Here's Plumlee.
We actually beat the Nuggets. And Dennis RJ Barrett is player of the game. I'm gonna say, here we go. I'm not gonna show you this. There we go. We got 500 BC, and this video was 40 minutes long. I guess there's nothing I can really do about this, actually. Like, there's gonna be like timeouts and stuff, and the gameplay minutes is different than this minute. But player stats. Interesting. This was at 19. Trier goes off in the second quarter, in the fourth quarter. 2 out of the 3 was 0 for 6 for 3. And then he knocks down 2 3-pointers. RJ Barrett getting a double-double. Julius Randle. Alfred Payton getting 5. Reggie Bullock getting 8 points. Kevin Knox getting 3. Jeremy Grant getting 3. Wayne Ellington getting 4. I'll finish off this copy. Yeah, that's not me being dead. I'm not replaying. I'm being dead serious. I have like so many copyright claims on my YouTube videos. I need money. I'm not getting any money from these videos, but we did it. It's so nice to see that we actually beat the Nuggets. It's nice for me to look at. Danny Green. Ooh, these little interesting trades happen. Andre Drummond. We enter free agency. So bonus. Yeah, also I can't wait until the free agency comes for this team. But you know what? That's gonna do it for me today. I can't take it anymore. I'm probably gonna not simulate to play Warriors, not just because we can't even beat the number. I might simulate actually like legit. Not the All-Star weekend. I might simulate and play. Do we play LeBron any more time before the playoffs? We don't, but we do play the Pelicans. So I'll probably simulate to the Pelicans game. But I love you guys. I've seen 77. Goodbye. Haha. Peace.